doon, yung pagka nababasa na si Maika, binabato ni Rhea kay Caballero.
Yes, at that UST connection seems to be working like a charm. Hindi pa rin masolve ng Smart. It's one of the liveliest games we've covered, because the quality of the rallies has been long. But again, if it's a short game, would have now it doesn't favor Smart because for them to be in contention in this game, they've got to stretch this game now to 4 sets or 5 sets, no?
O kumbaga, mas mahihirapan sila ngayon. Ortiz now with 11 points, Cases and Caballero with 7 each. Ito naman sa kabila, Ruby De Leon with 8 points, Soltones and Guliman each with 5. Oh, si Ruby De Leon na bagay kumakamada for the
new careers.
Oh. Wala na, hindi na siya magiging setter ever.
Bumaba market value at setter. Caballero going cross court. They'll give it masyadong big,
lifting
dapat pinalo mo na.
Masyado na matagal dun sa kamay niya.
Sa akin, paluin mo na lang.
Kailangan one motion kasi.
Parang naging 2 motions sa pagpag, di ba? At saka may buhat
yung alam mo, parang tumitigil yung bola.
May buhat.
Ayun, nakopito na yun.
1-0. Ferrer, big of a set. Down it goes. Roses scores.
Yan ang kailangan nila, yung smartness na lamang sa tingin ko, no? Mas lamang pa nga itong Smart pagdating doon. Diba? Dahil smart sila. Smartness.
Dapat. Rhea. Yun, pating alanganin, nagagawa ng paraan, ano?
Ayan pa rin. So, Mike Ortiz and Rhea de Mocolangan, di pa nagsawa. Meron pa.
And Ortiz just playing and firing at all guns this afternoon.
Ito na yung chance naman ng Smart na bubulusok with Ortiz serving, di ba? Doon na siya sa back row.
Nababasa kasi yung laro nila yung Smart Oh, well done. Soltones getting that to go through.
Yan ang kailangan. Si Soltones, yung mga points ni Soltones.
At saka may diskarte. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Tabla sa 2. Balmaceda. Kombinasyon!
Nakita na natin kanina yan at pareho ang napangyayari. Point goes to Philippine Air Force.
Watch the play, Di Ramos is the fake, Wala na.
Isa na lang yung blocker kay Caballero, pababa pa.
Piston, naging piston yung gano'n. Up, down, up, down. Caballero, Gem. Ooh, top of the block. Over the block.
Napakahirap gawin nung palong yon. It was way outside, close to the net, almost on the other side of the net. Pero Joy Cases, yung vertical leap is just so amazing.
And she got it at the top of the flight of the ball. In the meantime, Caballero wastes it. 3-4 ang score natin. Si Soltones po ang magsaserve para sa Smart. Cases. Tinaas ni Charo Soriano. Ferrer, buhay pa. Kombinasyon. Ay, alanganin. Alanganin.
Nakita ni Wendy Semana sa kanya napunta yung mga blockers So, last minute gusto niyang iiwas. Went for a push. Naiwan sa kanya Nabasa.
Paglundag niya, nanay ko, nanay ko, nanay.
Bakit kayo lahat nandyan? Ginagawa yun dyan.
Hindi yun ang plano Tiramos, huli. Tabla sa 4. Cases!
Once again.
Oh, watch this. Rexona antiperspirant, the other, and it won't let you down. Boy, she's getting it at the top of the toss,
And ang hihirap minsan ng mga palo niya, lapit sa net. Pero hindi siya na-over, hindi nagko-crossing.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, kasi may mga taong ganun, may broad jumper, may vertical leap na, yung diretso lang talaga, vertical leaper.
Nimble talaga De Ramos.
Simple volleyball, De Ramos. Just swiping it away.
Nakita niya yung butas sa kabilang kanto.
Nagpapaliwanag pa siya kay Ruby. Sabi ni Ruby, hindi violation
Axel's our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B League. In the meantime, Wendy Semana. De Leon is blocked, and now a bit of the endurance of Smart is questionable here. Pagod na yan eh.
Yes, yun ang mahirap. Talagang yung manpower nila kapos na kapos.
Yeah, you'll have a lot of playing time, but this game, jumping up and down,
Although, on the other side, hindi naman gaano nagpapalit ito.
hindi rin. Nahalos sa ulang balasa rin to.
Hindi rin nagpapalit masyado si Coach.
And the serve is reobtained by Smart. Jem Ferrer will be firing away.
Si Coach Clarence, nakasmile na ngayon.
Kanina.
Natutuwa. Ako rin naman, matutuwa ako if I see my team playing this way. Napakaganda ng inilalaro ng Philippine Air Force so far.
You know, Cassis is picking up where Ortiz left off.